Closing our eyes and just trying to focus on your breath. We are going to do some sighing. These are physiological sighs. I call these the tranquilizer for the brain. One of the most effective and easy ways to take your body into full relaxation. This is really effective for stress relief, insomnia, improving mental clarity, and let's begin. Starting by just focusing on your breath, not changing it, not judging it, just watching it, becoming more present in this moment. In and out through your nose, trying to get those breaths deep into the belly. Maybe relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw. This is a resetting breath of in and out through your nose. This is a good way to just calm the body before you begin breath work. And on your next breath out, breathe out completely and fully. And we're filling up completely through our nose, all the way down into your belly. Fill up and then take one more small breath in. And then let your entire body relax as you exhale through your mouth. You don't have to make the sigh sound, but just make sure that that breath is completely exhaled. Big breath in through your nose. And another smaller breath. Pause for a moment and then feeling your entire body collapse. Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your spine, your arms, your legs, your feet. Big breath in through your nose. And let's keep going with this breathing pattern. You might feel a little bit of lightheadedness, and that's okay. Breathing into the discomfort is where we see the most change in our body. And again, in through your nose. Pause and feeling your entire body relax, exhaling fully and completely. Keeping with this breathing pattern while I explain a little bit more about what you're doing. So we say that this is one of the greatest amounts of relaxation you can get in one breath. Helps to reset during your work day or just during the day. Improves memory, strengthens your lungs, increases lung capacity. And they say that naturally, we sigh at least 10 times every 5 minutes to naturally relax ourselves. And continuing with this breathing pattern. Just about another minute of this. Decreasing stress, relaxing your mind and body. To relax your mind, the most effective and easy way to do this is by relaxing your body. You can't relax your mind by thinking. It just doesn't work. continuing for maybe just a few more breaths. Coming back to that resetting breathing pattern of just in and out through your nose. And just resting here, settling into maybe that lightheaded feeling that you're feeling, the feeling of energy that you have moved or created. Just allowing your body to rest, heal, cleanse, and clear. Continuing with that resetting of in and out through your nose. Bringing us to our next breathing pattern. We're going to exhale completely out through your nose. And then we're going to take a nice, long, slow inhale through our nose for 8 seconds. We're going to hold it for 8 seconds. And then exhale through our mouth through pursed lips for 8 seconds. Okay? So exhale completely and fully. And we are coming in through our nose for 8 seconds. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4. All the way into the belly. 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In through your nose slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Sink into this stillness here. 6, 7, 8. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow out 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 more. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. Hold. And out. Last one. In. And out. Coming back to our resetting breathing pattern of in and out through your nose. And again, just sitting with this discomfort, maybe the lightheadedness, knowing that you're moving energy. You've just strengthened your lung capacity. Help to clear your body from stagnant energy. Helping to train your body to deal with anxiety, stress, teaching your body that even when you feel discomfort, It's going to be okay. And just relaxing your mind, relaxing your breath. Right here, trying to feel how slow and quiet you can make this breathing pattern. Still breathing deep into the belly, but just trying to slow it down just a little bit more and quiet it just a little bit more. Checking in with your shoulders, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw. Teaching your body how to control your breath carries over into so many things in life. Continuing with the gentle in and out through your nose. And just relaxing into this feeling. You're going to breathe in through your nose completely and fully, and then out through your mouth through pursed lips completely and fully. No rest or hold time. And you're just going back and forth, in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your mouth, out through your nose, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, so on your next exhale, exhale completely and fully. And we're coming in through our nose. This isn't a timed breath, it's at your own pace, but just maintaining the rhythm and trying to keep these breaths equal. So we're coming in through our nose, filling your belly, and then release out through your mouth through pursed lips. In through your mouth, completely and fully all the way into the belly, and then out through your nose. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. Emptying out completely, in through your mouth, and out through your nose. In through your nose, filling up all the way, and exhale through your mouth. In through your mouth, out through your nose. Exhaling completely and fully, relaxing the shoulders, relax the jaw. In through the nose, and out through your mouth. And right here, coming back to that resetting breathing pattern of in and out through your nose. Again, trying to quiet your breath, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, feeling the floor with your feet. Concentrating on the sensations of the breath entering and exiting your nose. Being aware of the temperature, the speed, whether the breath is sticky or smooth.